We have an update now in the breaking news we brought you earlier. Kingsley Dam at Lake McConaughey failed around 10 o'clock this morning. Evacuations are underway for communities downstream and rural areas of the flood's path. Jackie Harms joins us in the newsroom with more information on this catastrophic failure of Nebraska's largest dam. Jackie, what can you tell us?
Jacqueline, I'm getting information from the Central Nebraska Public Power and Irrigation District, the owner and operator of the dam. They're telling me flood waters below Kingsley Dam should reach the western edge of North Platte by 7 o'clock this evening. Peak flows will hit the city around 11 p.m. Now take a close look at your screen now. These are images of the communities experiencing flooding right now. As you can see, the water knows no bounds and is just covering the land. The flood's expected to cause damage along the entire length of the Platte River Valley, with extensive damage in areas closest to Lake McConaughey. Flooding along the Platte River also expected as far east as Bellevue, where the Platte River empties into the Missouri. Communities that will be impacted over the next several hours include Hershey, North Platte, Maxwell, and Brady. Jacqueline, back to you.
Thank you, Jackie, for the new information. We are now getting more information on when other communities are expected to see flood waters. Tom, what are you hearing about the incoming water?
Nothing short from biblical as this water advances through eastern Nebraska. As we continue to follow the breaking of the dam over by Ogallala, these waters are going to move swiftly, arriving in Gothenburg at around 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. Cozad just a little bit later, an hour later. Lexington about 8 tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at Kearney. Residents should expect to see floodwaters beginning to arrive at around 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, followed a few hours later in places like Grand Island as this water continues to surge further to the east. As floodwaters spread out, other communities in eastern Nebraska of the state are expected to be impacted over the next few days, including Central City, Columbus, and also Schuyler, Fremont, and parts of Bellevue. If you are going to be along the Platte River, you are advised to move to higher ground like we are going to start doing here at our studio as we continue to watch this surge of dam water move in throughout our communities. Goodbye and good luck.
Thank you, Tom. Officials have been working to minimize the damage to the dam itself, but continuing high inflows into Lake McConaughey are preventing efforts to control the situation. Emergency responders are reporting crowds of sightseers flocking to the Kingsley Dam area. They are causing traffic jams and blocking the transport of emergency equipment and materials to the dam site. Roadblocks have been set up in the area in an effort to control access to the site, and officials urge the public to stay away from the area. And as you evacuate, make sure to never go through standing water on the roads. Here are some pictures where the road has washed away. You can see this car on its side, and here the road is completely covered. Remember, this is rushing water. Do not get out of your car. The water levels are deep and there is possibility of getting swept away. If you come across water blocking major road passages, please call 911 and find an alternative route. Again, all residents below Kingsley Dam along the North Platte River and the Platte River east of the city of North Platte evacuate immediately. Please stay tuned to NBC Nebraska as we continue to monitor the situation.